So principles cannot change, but how we present those principles, they are different. So like for example, we were discussing about how Shukadeva Goswami, the sages of Naimisharanya, they are asking, Shavanagadi Rishi are asking, how did he spend time he associated with Shukadeva Goswami, associated with Parikshit Maharaj? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also refusing to associate with Prataprudra Maharaj. But then we know Srila Prabhupada, we know he has written down his plans for meeting Indira Gandhi and what were the points that he wanted to discuss with her. Very point blank he has written down. These are all written, recorded facts. Now if you see the disparity, he wanted to meet Indira Gandhi, who was first the leader of the nation, prime minister, so-called like a king, and second, she was a woman. How can a sannyasi meeting a woman is again another aspect. But then, as it said, Vasudeva Prabhu quoted a very nice Subhashit in this connection. Very nice connection. So I wanted to quote that. He said, Ayuktam Swamino Yuktam. Yuktam Nichasya Dushanam. Amritam Rahave Mrityu Visham Shankara Bhushanam. Ayuktam Swamino Yuktam. That means something which is improper, in general terms, it is improper. But it is proper to the self-controlled person. Swami, who is a Swami. Self-controlled, who is a master of his senses. Swami. So something which is in the general eye, which is ayukta or which is improper, is proper to the self-controlled person. Whereas something which is proper in the general eye, yuktam, is nichasya dushanam. For somebody who is wicked, such a person, even something which is proper turns out to be is adverse. So the example is given from the scriptures. Amritam is actually life-giving. Amrit is life-giving. Nectar is life-giving. Amritam rahave mrityu. Amrit became the cause of death for Rahu. And the most strong poison, halahal, Visham, Shankara Bhushanam, became an ornament to the neck of Lord Shiva. Visham Shankara Bhushanam. So it depends on who is the person who is handling. So Prabhupada, because he is the self-controlled sage, he could have that kind of a... So therefore we should understand that there are personalities within our society. It is not that everybody can do that. But still, if somebody is doing it, we should understand that he is specially empowered. And then, most importantly, it is very important that how we deal with these kind of persons or these kind of situations is very crucial. Because in another place it is said that when you associate very closely, then there is a chance to get destroyed. Or when you are too far away, then you will not get the desired benefit. When we deal with, there are three things, very nicely it is said. So the service should be done in such a way, we should find the medium path in such a way that our service should be performed. The service to the mission of the Lord has to be taken. So when we deal with king, fire and guru, in these three situations, too much of closeness can be cause of destruction. Atyasan na vinashaya. Atyasan vinashaya, durastham na falapradam. If you are too far off, then there is no benefit derived. Sevantam madhya bhagena raja vanni gurutrayam. So when we deal with, so therefore these kind of dealings have to be done very carefully with lot of guidance and lot of inspiration from the scriptures.